Welcome back to Punta Cana. All you can see, welcome back to the Dominican Republic. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Angela. I'm running this channel here and I live in the Dominican Republic for over 20 years. And today I'm actually taking a day off from living in paradise and I bought a day pass for the Palladium TRS. That's the 5-star adult-only section of the Palladium Resort here in Bavaro, Punta Cana. I invite you to come with me so that I can show you around a little bit and you have an idea how this beautiful resort looks. Nestled between these two buildings here, the big pool in the middle, the pool bar, which is also a swim-up bar. It's not a huge resort. It's a part of the big Palladium, but the TRS is a little bit smaller. I'm walking towards the beach, Helios restaurant for breakfast. With this view, they could serve me overcooked, undercooked, or dry food. I would not complain. But they don't. They actually serve really good breakfast here. You can sit inside or outside and then go to the buffet for your breakfast. Fruits and juice, yogurt, muesli, then you have a cheese, vegetables, salami, hot or cold and even sweet. Whatever you want to have for breakfast, it's there. Beautiful day at the TRS here in Bavaro, at Bavaro Beach. The good thing at the TRS Cortecito for me is also that you are very close to the public Bavaro Beach. All the beaches in the Dominican Republic are public. The first 60 meters, so they are all actually on public beach. But I'm talking about the shops that you find between the TRS and the Impressive. There are a couple of shops and bars. So when you're staying at the TRS, then you walk maybe 1.5 seconds and you're at the first shop already. I'm not walking at all. I have a lot of videos in the playlist from the bars that are here on this little stretch and as well from just walking the beach, so check that out. But I tell you, it's worth it to go once in a while. Since I'm traveling alone, I bought this backpack here, which you can actually lock around something, so whenever I go to the pool now, I can leave everything inside my bag and lock it to my beach chair. So if somebody wants to take something, you gotta take the whole chair. It's cold indeed, but I'm going to do it. And when you look up, this is your view. The pool has a nice size. Even though all the lounges around the pool were taken, there was still a lot of room, even at the swim-up bar. You also have a little bit of entertainment This is, well, actually no entertainment. This is yoga. Yoga on paddle boats. It was still very entertaining for everybody. For the drinks, you don't have to go to the bar. Someone is coming and taking your order, and then when they come back, they have your drink, and the service is excellent. Let's go and check out the resort. 373 rooms, I think they have here at TRS. They are here at the buildings around the pool, but they also have swim up at on the other side of the lobby and little villas. Look at the beautiful tropical environment here. Behind this wall, there is El Cortecito. Directly behind the wall, there are a couple of shops. So if you're in one of these buildings here, this is where you look to. And from above, it's not very pretty. And I believe this is why they have all the wild palm trees growing up high and not cutting them too much, so that your view actually, even if you're one of these rooms, is beautiful. Even so, you look on the rooftops of the little shop. Over there you see one of these little golf carts that they're driving you around with. And here we're coming actually to the villas, the swim up suites. And well, only if you're at the lower level you have swim up, obviously. Also in this area, you have a bar and something to eat. So if you don't want to go to the restaurant or to the beach, this is where you find everything. A nice tropical garden, and the secret pool isn't too far neither. And remember that the secret pool is open later than any of the other pools. Between the TRS and the Palladium Palace, you find the spa. It's Centropia Spa. And, well, it is at additional cost. Everything that you do in here, they have a hairdresser, they have manicure, pedicure, and they also have, of course, massage and all of it. Just go in here, you find all the information. This is as well where the gym is, and the gym is included. Centropia, between TRS and Palace. Look at this. The secret pool is not the secret pool anymore. I told you something that's not true. Now it's only for travel club members. Holy guacamole. When did that change? I don't know if you have seen my last video between the all-inclusive and the renting an apartment. So now we have this here too. It's not for everybody anymore. It's an exclusive area for travel club members. I really just want to stay at the TRS today. So my choice of lunch is having a little bit fast food over here. Hamburgers, chicken, or go again to the Helios, which is over there. Still making up my mind. I decided for lunch at Helios, and I have the table with the best view. At the Helios, you can order a la carte. They have the menu that you can scan with your phone, the QR code. You can go to the grill, there's a grill as well, and you can go inside and pick from the buffet. Buon provecho. All beaches in the Dominican Republic are public. So this is why you not only see sellers here, but also people walking by. The first 60 meters from the shoreline, high tide, where the shoreline is when it's high tide, is public. So even if you're here at the hotel beach, if it's not 60 meters away from the shoreline, you are on public beach. That means everybody can come here. They cannot use the chairs, but they can walk here. So don't be surprised if you see other people. This is totally normal here in Dominican Republic. It's less in the resorts that are not so close to an area where you can access the beach. Let's say up to Hard Rock, Rios. There it's really hard for us to get to the beach. But down here at the Palladium, you see a lot of people walking by. While having lunch, I met a very nice couple, Micha and Anke from Halle. They didn't want to come in the video and speak by themselves, but they told me that they're coming here to the TRS or the Palladium like the 5th time or something like this, and that they still like it a lot. They say that the service is excellent. If you tip or if you don't tip, everybody is friendly and you get your drinks at the pool, at the beach, and they really like it here. They also said that the food was always good, but it's much better. You have a greater variety now, more seafood, and that they will be for sure coming back. They really like it here. So I wanted to pass this information on from real people on vacation. That's it here, guys, from Punta Cana, all you can see. I hope you liked the video. TRS Punta Cana at the Bavaro Beach. If you did so, please subscribe to the channel. Check out the playlist. There are already a lot of videos. Actually, when I came here, I was like, wait a minute, I've been here before. So there is an older video from the TRS as well. I hope to see you here again next week, next Friday with the next video. Until then, take care. And to my American and Canadian friends, I hope you don't have too much snow.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
Let's
Voy
drive
a
home
cantar
with Sissy.
esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.